Hello guys, how are you doing guys? Today we are making fried rice. Okay, so we are going to cook fried rice today. I said let me show you guys how I did it. Yeah guys, so keep watching and see how I did it. So here you can see I'm seasoning the protein that I'm going to use. Yeah, I have my turkey wings, I have onion in it. Then you guys saw me putting curry, thyme, nutmeg. Then I'll also be adding oregano. Yeah, I've added oregano. Yeah. So this is nutmeg, guys, that I'm going to add. I still add a little more curry, a little more oregano. So this one is rosemary, guys. This one is dried rosemary. So I will also add rosemary to it. Yeah, guys, this is all the seasoning that I'm going to use on this protein, guys. So yes, my bay leaves. I'm also going to add some bay leaves to it, to give it that yummy flavor. As you guys can see, yeah, I've added all the seasoning that I want. Okay, guys. So here I'm also going to add this seasoning cube. I have no Maggi cube, which is chicken flavor, and I also have this jumbo seasoning. The name of that seasoning is called jumbo. It's a very nice seasoning, guys. So here I have to stir it to make sure that everything in it is combined. So those are the seasoning that I use, guys. So yeah, so after doing this, I'll cover it up a little bit. I'm not going to add water in the first place, okay? So as you can see, I did not add water to it. All this is for the seasoning to get into the protein. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I've added some water. I'm going to cover this up to cook, as you guys can see. So here are the vegetables that I'm going to use, guys. So you see the red bell peppers, green. These are three colors bell pepper, guys. We have the green one, the yellow one, the red one, and there's orange the other one that also have orange color, guys. Yeah, guys, as you all can see, I'm going to chop up all the veggies that I'm going to be. Guys, I have this video of how I slice these vegetables and how I store them in the freezer. In case of the day I want to cook fried rice, I'll just bring it out without stressing myself to slice the vegetable on the day that I'm going to make fried rice. If not, it will take a long time to finish it. So like this is more easy when you have your vegetables already sliced and stored in the freezer when you want to cook, just for you to bring it out without stressing yourself on that same day that you want to cook fried rice to slice all the vegetables, guys. Okay, those are the vegetables that I'm going to use for the fried rice. It was so good. So here are my spring onions, guys. I'm also going to add the spring onions to it. It gives it that beautiful aroma, guys. There's this sweet aroma that spring onions give to all your fries, be it fried rice or just just vegetable sauce. We add spring onions to it. It gives it that nice aroma. Yeah, guys. So here we are already frying the veggies. There I have my gizzard. Then I add some carrots. As you guys can see, on this one I'm using vegetable oil. Okay, there's one that I also use margarine. Okay, so here I'm using vegetable oil. I've added my carrots, so I will also be bringing in the red bell pepper. The bell peppers, guys. I don't know why I always call it red bell pepper. So yeah, I have um the bell peppers, guys. You all know that those bell peppers is the one that has three color. Okay, here I add my corn, my green peas. Then I add everything together and fry them like so, guys. Yeah, when you are cooking fried rice, when you have your vegetables already sliced, before, it will not take you a long time to cook it. It's only when you want to cook this the same the very day you are cooking your fried rice. If you are also slicing your vegetable that same day, it will make your fried rice take a long time to prepare. It will take you a long time to prepare your fried rice. So yeah, guys, here they are. I will fry it and fry it and fry it until it get to how I want it to be. It's not that it's not much. It's not that I did not cook it that much. Okay, I did not cook it to be so soft. I did not also make it to be too strong. So it's average. Not too strong, not too soft. Yeah, that is how the vegetable is. Yeah, bring in the rice, okay? You know, there are many ways that you can cook your fried rice. There are many different ways, many different patterns that you can cook your fried rice. The most important thing is that at the end it came out well. So there's one that you will fry your rice first before bringing in the vegetable. That is after you must have fried your vegetables separately. You will fry the rice, then put in the vegetable. You guys will see how I also did that. Yeah, guys, there's different method. Okay, you can use different method to cook your fried rice. Yeah, guys, like so. As you can see, the color is looking so good. The color is looking so delicious. The color looks so good, guys. As it looks, that is how sweet it was. It was so good. Yeah, guys. So here is my soy sauce. This one is soy sauce, guys. That I just add to it. It is soy sauce. You also give it good aroma. Soy sauce give your fries good aroma. Yeah. So yeah, guys. This place I'm frying the rice separately. I've already fried the vegetable. Okay. So here I'm going to fry the rice on its own. Then before I will bring in the vegetables. Okay. You will see how I did it, guys. This is other method also. You can also do it this way. Okay. You can do it this way, whichever way that you prefer to cook your fried rice. As long as it came out well, then it's good. So yes, yeah, I'm frying the rice. Yeah, I've already fried the vegetables that I'm going to add to it separately. As you can see, yes, the vegetables that I'm going to add to this one. This pattern also is also good, guys. Yeah. Even this pattern, this is how you will fry your rice very well before you bring in your vegetables. Whichever way you do it is good. So I'm also going to add some little soy sauce to this. Yeah. So this one is also I did this one with margarine, guys. You know you can use butter. You can also use margarine. You can use vegetable oil. Whichever one that you decide to use is good, guys. So here I'm going to use margarine to fry this one. I'll fry the rice, fry it and fry it and fry it. Before I'm also bringing the vegetable, guys. Yeah. Mm. This fried rice was so good, guys. It was so delicious. Yeah, guys. So I think this one was the last one. Yeah, this one was the last one, guys. So here's the vegetable. Also, I will also add the vegetable, guys, like this, and turn it together. So guys, what do you think? Hope you all like this video. You like the pattern that I use So I use the three different type of ways to cook my fried rice. So I hope you guys also like this one. Yep, guys, thank you all for watching. As always, God bless you. Thank you, guys. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, follow my page, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So see you guys on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Bye. See you all next time. Ah, it looks so good, guys. Bye.